To say I'm nervous about today is an understatement. I am attempting to do something I haven't done in 5 years. And this was just at my peak performance, health-wise. So I'm a little bit scared about today. You know, when you're 20 and all, you get scared of, oh, will I, die jumping out of an airplane, doing bungee jumping, or, what if I, go reckless driving up the mountains or something like that. In your 40s, it's like, if I climb this mountain, will I have a heart attack? So, come with me to find out. But no, seriously, back in 2021 was the last time I'd done this trek. And that was at the end of my peak fitness. I was going to the gyms in the morning, 6 a.m. I'd go to work, and then after work I'd go to a physiotherapist. So I'm really not looking forward to seeing how bad my health has deteriorated. So I'm going to take it nice and slow. You're going to come along with me, so you're my excuse for going slow to make some footage along the way. January 4th today, Sunday, and it's fairly quiet. This is the place I go, I think it's Ballinasloe. No, I'll link the name down below, and I'll tell you how long how long it used to take me. I have to find that information out. I use Map My Walk, and I'll put that on now in a minute. And yeah, come with me to see if I'm fit for the grave or if I still have a chance. Well, as you can see, it's a cold one this morning so far. I've only got these gloves, which are kind of pointless. I'm not bringing any gear with me, photography-wise. I'm just basically doing this for a bit of health and just an accomplished check for myself. I'm trying to get me talking out, hovering done it now. Before. I don't know if you can see that there. That's Dublin. Hopefully the weather stays off. Usually there was a notice board here before of the name of the place. Maybe, there it is. Again, it's been a couple of years since I've been here, so things have changed. This is part of the Wicklow Way. So we are here. And this is the Kilmashogue and Ticknock Forest. So we're basically going to go from here, over here, where you are here. We're going to go up to hopefully the ferry castle. That is our goal for today. So, nice and slow. It's early o'clock in the morning, it's 9:30. Plenty of time, it doesn't get dark until 4. So I'm hoping to be well home and warm by then. Anyway. Whew. One of the good things about this forest is not many people come here, so I can actually talk to the camera. So a lot of things are coming up. I'm doing a lot of videos in January because I'm traveling in February. I'm going to do a little interrail around Europe. I hope you will. I hope you will join me on my journeys. I'm going to be doing little, train journeys. I'm going to be doing food reviews and hotel stays and hotel reviews and loads of stuff, but I'm not bringing my computer, so I won't be able to upload them as we go. I'm literally bringing one backpack to do me for 3 weeks. So yeah, that's what's on the cards for next month. So this month is just little bits of stuff around Dublin, keep it cheap and cheerful. Maybe do another hike or two, and we'll see where it goes. There's a possibility of snow, so I might get out and do a bit of snow photography as well. Yeah. What else? We've started planning the motorhome trip across the EU during the start of, the end of spring into summer. Going to head up to Norway. And then we've started our Asia trip. In a sense where I know where I'm going, but I've only booked literally the flights there. But lots to do, lots to go on. and now I'm actually seeing people here. So I'll catch you in a minute and I'll catch my breath back. Like an idiot, I forgot to press record there. And I was talking for ages and I made some great points. Yeah. Anyway, unfortunately now, to keep an eye on the old health, it can deteriorate fast. So I did get a whole blood screening thing done. Summertime, everything seems fine, nothing alarming. Apart from the weight, obviously I'm a chunky guy, so I have to keep an eye on that. And if you want, I'll probably hopefully do more of these hiking trails. And if you want me to shut up, just let me know in the comments below if you want me to shut up, or if you want to just have me chat along, or if you want to just see the beautiful scenery for these. Now it's starting to come up to the point where it goes up high, so my breathing is going to get a lot worse. And there's a stone in my shoe. Oh, and I'm not sure if I locked my car. And I can start to feel my knee cramp up as well. That was another thing that kind of stopped these hikes, was my knee giving out. So we haven't even got to the hard part yet. So we'll see how today turns out. But we're going to keep on pushing and see what we can do. Here's the problem. So I put the camera down there, walk back. Then I have to walk up there, collect the camera again. Which means I'm doing extra steps. Ooh, yeah, it's very scenic, very cinematic. But yeah, no, I do see the thing in it, but today it's just more about doing this. It's an accomplishment that I set myself. Small little goal. Something achievable, and then we go from there. Because when I do my Euro trip, I'm going to be walking around everywhere. So I need to build that stamina so I can go out walking around all day long. Like I don't do like marathons, I don't do like proper hikes. So when I go around, I just like walking around cities, checking some things out, having a beer, eating a bit of food, you know, maybe check out a museum or an art gallery or something like that. Nothing too strenuous, but a lot of steps per day. And considering my steps per day have been less than 1,000 for the last couple of weeks, months probably, I need to build that stamina up. So this is a good breaker one. This is nothing like of a this is like the warm up to the start of it. So I'm gonna take a little break here and then we'll crack on at the big curve. So 5 years ago, no problem, just coming up here and then just shooting straight on up and going for it and pushing through. But today, spent a few minutes here just catching my breath back, and I'm going to go slowly. I'm not going. Now my bag has a few things in it, but it's nothing heavy. A small bottle of water, a sandwich, and a chocolate bar, and a full fill bar as a treat if I make it to the top. So nice and slow, nice and steady. Enjoy the scenery. Make an award-winning YouTube video. Hopefully it doesn't turn into 127 hours. That would be nice. That'd actually be the dream, really. You know, just to make it out of this situation alive. So, yeah. This is where I normally stopped. But I think the heat usually has a lot to play with that. So I'm going to continue on a little bit more. We'll take a break up a bit higher. Okay. So I'm hoping nobody comments. Nobody likes to see more hikes like this. But if you do, hit the like button, subscribe. Now, I think a lot of people fear the word subscribe, thinking it's a payment method. It's not. Subscribing just means you're interested in the channel, and that when there's a new video released, you'll get notified. There's no cost at all to it. best way to support the channel. Or you can head over to my Payhip or my Redbubble and purchase one of my photos. They're available for digital download or available for print. Maybe taking a stop over here, I can feel it now. Again, still not too bad, compared to what I was expecting. I can feel the warmth of the sweat to my back now. Right. Let's put you there. I can feel the heart beating like mad. So we want to calm that down. Look at these mad bastards. Morning. He's got weights on as well, like. He's got weights on and he's running up the bloody thing. Well, I got weights too. Okay. A little bit of rest there, heart rate came down. That's good. Got the air in. So we're gonna start again nice and slow. Right, so how are you doing actually? How's your 2026 going so far? Mine's doing well. Staying active. A lot of admin stuff to try to get my YouTube going, full-time career. Yeah. I'm gonna fail, but like, you know, at least I can say I gave it a shot. You know, I'd rather try and fail than not try and say I would have failed. That way it's, you know, I'm back out of breath already. So yeah, there's a few little tweaks coming. There's going to be a lot more travel videos coming. And I'm debating changing the motorhome at the moment. Thinking something a bit smaller. But put so much money into it, just don't want to lose it. So we'll see if we can get something, or we'll just keep it and keep on going. Yeah. You talk now for a bit because. Right, let's see if we can just give you some more scenery shots. Ooh, look at the pretty thing. Almost winter wonderland feel. I'm not doing too bad actually. Knees a little aggravating me. It's not too bad. Might kill me on the way down. And then my breath's not too bad. Tiny bit warm, but it's manageable. We're almost at the peak of this walk. I was wrong. There is just a little bit more to go. So we're gonna get up there and then we're gonna have a little mini break. It's not too much for her. It's just off by one corner, 2 corners. Normally where I come for the photos. You will see these dotted around the place. So, yellow walking is the walking trail, the arrow is which way to go, and the thing there, that's because it's the Wicklow Way. Some have different route names. It's just telling you to go that way instead of straight. Now you could technically go straight and loop back around, but it's more direct route. Just take a few minutes here. Okay, heart rate's back down again. Got our breath. Let's go this way, but it looks like they're doing some new stuff here as well, so it'll be very interesting to see. Oh yeah, so there's a mountain trail there as well, Ticknock Mountain Trail, black and red. So there's different trails that overlap each other as well, so just keep an eye on your markings and your arrows and know which colour is which. Yeah, this used to be a very, very narrow little trail. Hello. Yeah, I think we're back. Alright, this is about what it normally looked like. So we're on the last 2/3 of this trip. Still a bit of elevation. It's not too intense. It gets a little bit intense at the top, but I can hear the wind. Where we're going is going to be fully exposed, so I'm feeling good, I'm feeling good. We're leveling up, and then just one last. Don't know if you can see the branches in there. Well, just a bit of frost on top. It'd be fantastic for photos. But I didn't bring my camera today. Look at even these. It looks fantastic. Right. We're almost there. We're almost there. So this is completely cheating because I didn't actually go this way, but I think this might look like a nice thumbnail. I'll take this pause here, this pause here, this pause here, pause here, that pause there, that pause there. Right, I'll see what these look like. See if I see even in frame for them. So we did make it to the top, but it was incredibly windy and absolutely baltic cold. So there wasn't any chance I'd be able to sit down, relax and eat some food. Now, I'm happy I made it to the top. I'm happy with the time I made it. I'm not sure I've compared to my previous ones, so I'll just try them up now. That's today's one. It was 1 hour 18 minutes up, but I'm now including going back down. That'll only be 20 minutes or something. And then there's not many people in the car park. I'll do a little food review on the Circle K little grub I got. I think it cost me €15. And after all that, I forgot that I had to pick up milk, so I have to stop back there again today. Anyway, very happy with today. I don't feel as drained as I thought it was going to be. Don't know if my ear was throbbing there, because on the way down the wind was whipping at it. And it was absolutely freezing. So yeah, I enjoyed today. I think I deserved the little treat that I got, and to go home and stay warm and watch some movies and have a great Sunday. Anyway, catch you in a few minutes back in the car. So I've decided to spare you all the ungodly sight of me eating away. Because it's like 11:30, I'm going to head on home and I'm going to eat the food at home. I'm not going to do a food review on it, maybe another time. So I got back to the car. I didn't lock it. Nothing seems to be amiss. Car's still here, so luckily Irish, I suppose.